Hello, my sweet cakes, and welcome to Auntie Nellie's kitchen. Today, we're going to do something a little different because today we have a special guest. And in this corner, we have personal trainer, the Italian stallion, Tsp Baking Powder. Today, Sam and I will be teaching you how to make a delicious cake without sugar.
So to get this fight started, we're gonna need 3 large sweet potatoes cut into chunks, and we're gonna need 2/3 cups of dates finely chopped, a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla bean, 2/3 cups whole milk, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yo, Adrian.
Can I ask you a question?
Absolutely.
Why do you want to fight?
Because I can't sing or dance. Hey, yo, look at this face. 64 fights. Look at that nose. You see that nose? That nose ain't never been broken. I got guys punching on it, chewing it, twisting it. Guys hitting it all the time. Never broke it. I'm very proud of that. That's rare.
In a large saucepan, you're going to cover your sweet potatoes with water, and we're going to bring this to a boil. And we're going to cook this for about 15-20 minutes until the sweet potatoes become tender. We're going to drain the potatoes and mash with a fork into a puree. Measure out about ½ cup of your sweet potato. And now you're going to have some leftovers, but you can save that and put it in the refrigerator, and you can use it later for like a stew or a spread, and it's something healthy that you can add to anything. But in my personal opinion, I'm going to use it in a sweet potato casserole. Put the dates and baking soda in a bowl with enough hot water to cover the dates. Stir to dissolve the baking soda. Let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the dates and mash them with the fork. I want you to catch this little chicken.
Well, what I gotta catch a chicken for? It's embarrassing, you know?
Well, first, because I said so. And second, you catch this and you'll catch grease lightning. You ready? Ready? Go get him! What you doing? What you doing? Get him! Get him! Just move your tail! Where are you going? Just grab him! You gotta hurry up! Get him! Get him! In a medium saucepan, we're going to combine the sweet potato, the vanilla bean, and the milk. You're going to stir this with a wooden spoon. We're going to bring it to a simmer over medium-low heat. Cook for a few minutes until everything is well combined, and then remove it from the heat. So, my sweet cakes, take a look at these next exercises to try at home to burn calories from this cake. Now we're going to whisk together the vegetable oil, the mashed dates, and the ginger until well combined. And then you're going to add in your sweet potato mixture and whisk again. Now we're going to add our eggs. Where's the eggs? Wait, no, you can't drink those. We need to add them to the mix. Add all your dry ingredients into a separate bowl and mix. Now add your dry ingredients to your mixture and blend until barely combined. Now we can pour our mixture into a well-greased 8-inch pan. Place into the oven, preheated at 350, and we're going to bake it for about 35 to 45 minutes. Now our time is up, and we know the cakes are finished because when I press on them, they bounce back. You want it to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. And when that's cool, you can turn it over and serve it any way you like.
I want you! I want all of you!
Looks like a big flag.
I want you! I want you!
Is he talking to me?
I want you!
Yeah, he's talking to you.
I want you!
Is he talking to me?
Let him talk.
I want the stallion!
What do you think that outfit cost him?
Well, that's it for today, my sweet cakes. Thank you, Sam, for being on my show.
Thank you for having me today, Nellie. And if you have any questions about health and fitness, you can find me at turnkeyfitness.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at turnkeyfitness.
Thanks for going round for round with us. See you next time. Adrian! Adrian!